Okay, so let's use the average value, the definition of the average value of a function, to find the average value of this function over this interval. So now looking at the graph, we see that the area, because that's what we're going to have to use is the area, is the trapezoid. So we're going to use the formula for the area of a trapezoid to find the area under the curve x plus 1 from 0 to 5. Okay? But to find the average value of the function, we just have to remember that f average is equal to 1 over b minus a times the integral from a to b of f of x dx. Okay, now, in this case, a is 0, b is 5. So this is going to be 1 over 5 minus 0, the integral from 0 to 5 of x plus 1 dx. Now, this piece here is, remember, area. Okay? So we got to find the area. Now, in this case here, since it's a trapezoid, we're just going to use the formula of the trapezoid. Now, be aware that we're going to get to a point as we learn more and more techniques and properties and rules for integrating functions, you won't have to deal with knowing the formula because, again, we're going to be dealing with all sorts of curves. So, but again, the only reason we're doing this is to show you how these theorems and definitions work. And then as we add more techniques and information for you to find integrals, then you'll be able to do this for any function. Well, almost any function. Okay, so now what's the area of a trapezoid? Well, the area of a trapezoid is equal to 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. Okay, or the height times the average of the bases, however you want to remember it. Okay, so now this is a trapezoid that's on its side. So, so here's the two parallel sides. So this would be, let's say, base 1 and base 2. And then the height is this here. Okay, so all we have to do is calculate 1/2. The height in this case is 5. The bases is 1 and 6. And so if we multiply this out, we get what? 5 times 7 is 35, so we get 35 times 2. Or excuse me, divided by 2. So 37 halves. No, not 37 halves. 35 halves. Okay, so now let's take this in here. So this becomes 1/5 times 35 halves. Well, then this cancels with this, right? 5 divides 35, so we get 7 halves. And that's the average value of the function is 7 halves, or 3.5. All right, that's it. Have a great day.